Hi friends, this is Srinivas. Today I am going to solve question number 21. It is in Business Statistics 1, third unit, Measures of Central Tendency. So, given question is minus 42 minus 30, minus 32 minus 20, minus 22 minus 10, minus 10 to 0, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So here frequency also given 10, 28, 30, 42, 65, 180, 10. So this information is given. So now we are going to calculate arithmetic mean. So here arithmetic mean formula is sigma fm by n. So given question frequency is given but m value is not given. So calculate m value. So m value equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here lower limit value is minus 40 plus upper limit value is minus 30. So divided by 2. Both minus means add two numbers. So that is minus 70 divided by 2, that value is 35. Minus 35. Okay. So it is minus 35. Next second one is minus 30 plus minus 20 divided by 2. So minus total is minus 50 divided by 2, that value is 25. So next one is minus 20 plus minus 10. So total value is so that is minus 30 divided by 2, that value is 15. So here remaining also same. So here write mid values. So first one is minus 35, next one minus 25, next minus 15, next minus 5, next here plus 0 plus 10, 10 divided by 2, that is plus 5. Next 10 plus 20, 30, 30 divided by 2 equal to 50. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 divided by 2, that is plus 25. So these are the mid values. So let us calculate Fm. F into M. 10 into minus 35, it is minus 350. Next one, 28 into 25. So that is minus 700. Next minus 15 into 30. So that is minus 450. Next minus 5 into 42. So that is minus 10. Next 5 into 65. So it is plus 325. Next one is 15 into 180. So that is plus 2700. Next 25 into 10, that is 250 plus 250. Okay. So total. So first add plus figures, from that deduct minus figures. So 250 plus 2700 plus 325 minus 210 minus 450 minus 700 minus 350. So here value is sigma fm value is 1565. So that is the sigma fm value. So find out x bar value. So x bar means arithmetic mean. So x bar equal to sigma fm. So sigma fm value is 1565 divided by n. So here n value is how much? Total of frequency is called n. So the total of frequency is 365, right? So let us calculate 1565 divided by 365. So that value is x bar equal to 4. It is 287. So x bar equal to 4.2. So if we cancel 7, so 1 added to 8, that is 9. So this is called arithmetic mean. It is simple question. Okay. So write, take down.